is NDC aware say omobeko election 2028 omo ya aware and they don't care.
No. Ebusian for aha Ghana SMTVGH. Mesra will like, comment, subscribe, turn on notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded to be notified. Ebusian for over the past almost 1 month ni and demonstrations echo so minor. Now one particular demonstration she say very topical. She say kramikra my bread because every day you are hearing about them on news mo. Koko Ikuafo. Koko Ikuafo na mo say John Mama His Excellency any NDC for all that omo. And she say who free Koko ke ni bia no ni phone ring caller tune me do for that mia. And officer media grow the phone unim Koko ke obi a Koko farmer bia born dal de na baneshe. The caller tune no ringing tone no. Me do for that mia na udo for that we do for be NDC for ato first they go catch Koko for say omo ba ben ma on be ma omo one bag for 6,500 e bet me akọ 7,000 9,000 po na so to first carry ye no omo ba ben mo no omo be tiska no so hwu omo yi 10 million 1,000 cedis every bag of Koko bia so enu na ko fast no buy you see the answer me say ato forcing other down. Now, despite all these things, and then whilst we are thinking about how to adjust, because Koko farmers be brave who are maboka, be mukoji loan ahead of the season. Omunim say a buy no better Koko no at a certain price, and as our price no, this is going to be their profit and everything. And people have gotten their plants destabilized, altered. Beyond all these alterations, any altercations guess what? Ebusian for say insider information. Rumor. Serious rumor say. NDC for no, they don't intend stopping just where they are right now. On person Koko price no so biom. Munim say the cost ni say. Munim said, dear cousin say, Uko Ivory Coast, Omudi 1 bag, Omudi 1,002. Udi bagana scammer. And yati say, apparently no. And this if we any era, Randy Abbey, sanctioned by cabinet, they want to also bring it down to meet Ivory Coast for there. And it's almost omudia so ediba 1,000 to 1,004. Actually say omo yi 20 million every bag of Koko biaso. Now obisa who say mo amoyi 10 million every adenesu. Koko farmers every Western North abaye demonstration one crying. Now mo kote 20 million free so. Ha I mpesa mo kun krofo ana. Another person woman crop for heart attack. I did assemble cranny. More na promising crop from mom 6,500. 6,500 no so more into me mom. Mumpa buy mono. Mutu Koko price ni mo 3,600. Right? Saska kwa mo into me to ya obia. Enti adia akufado na kanino akufado etimi ton 3,100 no. Muse munti mi tombio. Ena muti abde no so e call 2,500. Kofo no so afi de musa be tisubium. Hey. NDC boni ben. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama aka Minti Obia pacho boni ben. Koko fo no mayo boni ben. Aba o ma to ama wono. Boni na mwaye. Koko fo no o mayo papa ewie. Mako akoto aba ama. Se beye o mampeni biom. As I say, so uti V8 mo. Full air condition. Koko fonso no, Koko farmers no so no. Omuti ramo ho no mo. Oshion kwa, eni jumandin kwa. Na why we nyina awie no, what is due them so person farmer mo. Oh. Koko farmers. Enye hwi why? I mean beye why? And next time muso mukoko to aba ya muhu MPP mutuma osunu no mutuma osunu no wo ho anka yenti cocoa price so osunu ne ho they say osunu your opposition all we can do is to cry with you but beyond crying with you we for cocoa farmers yenti menya hu hwi just 2029 is number buy mu bio enti sorry okay kusa why let's go and listen to this conversation. This just was dropped hot by Ellen Amadakwa, National Communications Team member of the New Patriotic Party. But before the Nebushan for ye person MBA ye studio hoha. Now ya cost bibia around 25,000 Ghana cedis, 250 million o currency. What they call dollars more, $2,300 US. Yen quiet to me enti yen quiet to me ya hondi and susa. And we need your help, your contributions. And whatever you want, you have to contribute towards this project. Number no any screen. Asia honomo for number no contributing. Edamunina ase in advance. And now let's go and listen to this what just as I dropped it. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.
Ebo baba.
Debut selling. Is NDC aware say Omobeko election 2028? Omo ya aware and now they don't care.
No,
Omo grab
Ghana baby
they are still enjoying goodwill. So when you are Jimmy.
Where did the State of the Nations address goodwill? After 2 State of the Nations address goodwill?
Yeah.
Waka catch and them wato do no purpose na kufa do ne de no I would video ijire enyo lead agree hu yan sensen won kra o hwe Ghana fo so mama sensen won no
This guy actually came for revenge. Sir Abana Mudigi in 2016 Ashenepa Obi na wow Coco na ya cry ya kwanya ya debe supplement you no mo say na participant be free.
Well like say you are you be me papa di ko wala say eko Ghana ya yo
police
Nana
me say eye pa eduru ho no mo a eye o mun ka say afisu ya nto ababiem eduru eye mun ka so mun to biem eduru ha eye o mun ka say o ya nto akufo ado and ya conference church in Dianto, no munya sabium. Yes, a cacraba count. Maybe there be any said, me you want me to I don't know. Me don't for that dammy. Me don't for that dammy. And no one at the Biamito, me could do platform on my chassis, don't for that dammy.
Hey, not just Shadio. Teachers, only a very, very important set of our nurses, very, very important. Farmers, very, very important. Into all the strategic workers now, Omoma or mine consono, Oba Bemubia, he finds a way to neutralize their powers. Like he finds a way to destroy their livelihood. Wow. Nana Joe, Kabe 3 minutes, mami.
Yo, me da say. Abusa for me chewu nyina. Cinemarcus. Miniama, woman, still possible. The American say, me 3 minutes and me fan to you in the name no. We don't be at that dame. We don't for that dame you.
Mahama we don't for Mahama diare.
Jimia, Kokumi. I didn't know Rama Bedu. I am a day. Kakro.
How damn professor ya. Our
me name now for me to coin. Almost have me bo. Send no more and betray me. And him for NDC for your mama. Omuka say, ya papa ku for do to Coco. Na Coco no keso mo 60. Enti wanfa mo no de oba
Jesus ebia
wa say bo say
oba me say me Jesus ebia munya asehwe ono the voice make us munja yezu na afekra na oma me more fans but okay
what is 60 after 60 no oba ya wantimi ama 60 no What the kakra betu so we kura wasaba betwa yemene. Abetu so boom. Oka say teacher for o say yebo say me ba kura teacher ni etimi sro to aba no ma me mama ne ka sika. What's dada? Your mama so oba oba yesi ntimi kwa akoto ama your mama.
Yo.
Afi oba ya. Ye say me ba no kura woja de che abufo nti woja atefie. Me ba ko eye nurse. Wo say ya jesu yanto. And I'm saying, hey, my show more do school what's daddy what him ground am say my jesu mento. Your mama so oba. Afi your mama ba ya wo be na dia tenafie. Oh, share Coco and a teacher and a dear bay and a nurse. I've heard you try to cry, your movie cry, so I come home and say, or say electricity or bar, any water bill, any levy, or baba, no better in aso, or buy, yeah, I feel what they energy levy. I've heard you what to electricity. 19.5%.
Yeah.
Water or head out to Munka Krankakra and what the Mia ye. They say water to 18 point something percent. What the petrol better that I say, what the petrol so? I've heard ye, the Neku for the more trash also Ukraine, Meha, almost 700 kilometers. I've heard the Minkoti, I was say, a friend Israel and Tokano, Ebekaye. Omukrana omu 13,000 kilometers no. Any 700. Enti eno nyina aka ho na me a na me ti ho din mi se summa no na mabu a hyemenum mabu ano na hyemenum na me to me dofo daada me wa foma nkotwa pono enti na me sere se umo ye nyina ye nka Dr. Mamudu Bawumia ho na wo mo so wo mo nto no na feso so ye general secretary no Islamo enipa me pe no eye kokofu
Okay.
Ono de obetimi aye eniema ma me because otra bantuma no kra no obeye chairman no me hu nyuma kakra ani mpunto kakra etimi akoso.
Okay.
Etimi da ase.
Me da ase pa. It is
aye any da ho sem say aye entro ene na da. So we beka say reset no adane settings. Mama dey say MPP ye ba aban mu 2017. Na ye former goodie a ye this year gold no na ye 8 tons. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia et na say ehun say Ghana ha ye tu e former goodie wa ha. Na ye tu former goodie wa ha e wo say Ghana na ye tu na enso etimi sie bi. Na ye kwa ahohiehie ma etimi de aboye ho bra. E na 20 I think say 2022 e na Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia de sa gold reserves ne buy. And as at 2024 na ye free aban mu. Na ye gold reserves a yetimi asie e ye 31 tons. Ye betu 8 tons. Within 2 years na yetimi asie 31 tons. NDC for eba aban mu no. Omo se ye gold na MPP enye aniswade hunu. A omo sie ye no. Ye gold no ye sie bebere dodo nti omo de ye omba akoton bi. E no mo ko edwaman so ekoton emu 18 tons. Na mama de emu 18 tons na omo ton ye. No. Omo ton no 3,000. And ne omo se gold na omo ko ton 3,000 no. Omo de akọ parliament say e wo se ye sie ye gold. Enti gold na omo ton 3,000 no. Omo said e kwa akoton 5,000. Na omo de Ghana sika 1.2 billion. E say be so akakoto gold asa be sie. Mo ba ye ne ye sie gold. Musi gold na ye sie ne dọọsọ dodo e na mo koton bi. Ene masa ba say gold na mo koton no fofofo no. Most of the Ghana ye taxpayers money. Say be so akoto ne 5,000 na baba be sie. Enti mo de 1.2 billion e na ebe so. We kire enkrofo bi omo wa ban mu. Eni so ade hunu omo wo. Omo ni ene mammofo a omo ye. Because Nkamentia say any reasonable person and any logical person ever hakoton ye gold that ye see 3,000. No wasaka say the same gold now oton 3,000 no or say koton aboden asa baba besie e teki obi a say bio na adwuma emmere aban a woni ani so ade hunu e no be ye sa ade we mama the MPP ekofado eba abem 2017 na koko 475 Ghana na enu 500 Ghana cedi po Akufo-Addo ye and in kakra and you say international markets no yenti gold yenti cocoa prices so yete so but abina ne nim kwan of source or subsidize ema price no yente so enti akufo do be fa cocoa no from 475 Ghana cedis no equal 3,100 yenya NDC aban enam so mo ye atro ene adada fonti omo be ka kire say akufo ado sisi cocoa akuafo na omo na wa aban mu a anka cocoa price no anka omo de beje 7,000 any 6,000 ene nyame adom Ghana fo bi ma omo adwuma emmere edi omo achi ekoto aba ede ma omo ene omo baaye no cocoa price na akufo ado tu mu from 475 Ghana ede call 3,100 no yesenka wentimi enya bia ma wa ase a anka yembo ne kro no but NDC baaye na price no almost about better so enye me wan say your friend o man panyin high sense because watiti cocoa so say who obae no cocoa price no was better so mama dey MPP aba mu 2017 na your flashy program ay dey campaign pan ay free education and Akufo-Addo make sure say within 1 year in government no within 8 months and rolling out free education and or they buy. And then free education open in enya international recognition a free education because Akufo-Addo any MPP are buying any education home faso omunim emfaso say education here because you say who educate woman for and my or mine no ebetu mpon te Akufo-Addo enya da enisuade hu no and the free education by say ye educate ye man for and oba aban mu no wan hwe say oba ye na enche one shall say oba beto atorenchem bebre oba no because na a major flashy program ti or rolling it out within 8 years within 8 months ye musa ya say NDC ba aban mu na omo major program pa na omo de ba de na 24-hour economy omo say job 133 adwuma ba ko no enipa miensa na beye enti atogana 40 because ye nyina ye nim say unemployment no na was so enti omo sa policy ne baaye no eto youth ni trim ekoto aba edema omo ye musa ye ho say omo baaye 24-hour economy na omo kan ko omo budget a omo ready eni omo budget mu omo ka kire say because of 24-hour economy na omo dey ba nti omo ma incentives be ma companies omo ba be sa 24-hour economy no the electricity ye better so the better electricity so e dey ama omo and so omo baaye within 1 year Oma increase electricity 28%. Now mama day who increase electricity 28%. Now to salary move 10%. O person woman for and I want you the beba almost so. Because what to salary move 10%. O to salary move 10% no. What increase electricity 28% and water 15%. And then mama dey youth need su say rent kwa ye nyesika emfa han da because dan bo ayeden and then tia e dan bo ayeden ne say mahama bae no sa insurance oba beto insurance na mama be o kwa ko han wo dan na e dan na o ko han no efie wa no ye insurance na ono ni insurance na wo ye ne yatuma definitely ono so the dan na ma rent a obetuma ma o eno ne ahokyeda ye face e wo Ghana ha no NDC ba omo se Ghana fo Akufo-Addo aban awie sika enti omo ba ora omo beje sika bia chese MPP aban awia ema omo setting ho committee e de okudeta abrakwa e de document e koma attorney general say sa document na odi aba no say odi sika ni nyina e be 21 billion sika obetimi age e de ama Ghana ye 21
yeah, sorry,
billion.
doctor, more reply the base ni no wa say o mama. More reply the mama. Me that's a god tender more.
Sika ama Ghana e $21 billion.
If you the base might be one and person me can say my picture na twice why. Or say MPP egu. And you know you joining the base. Me catch you say.
Me kamenya ka de sa the base na mo credence. Ka mo di kwa na mo hype wo. We should just ignore them because they don't exist.
It is possible mute to the mommy. If you are
Mama
don't exist.
Mama give me bow. If you are royal. What Mama don't say me can be. Say adia san kwofo no plot to plan ya on. E be joint Mama di. E be